We take fellows that come from a wide range of both clinical and scientific backgrounds and create a cohort so that the problem of preterm birth can be attacked in a truly collaborative way.
As a basic scientist, I always wish to be able to bring solutions from basic science to clinical practice, bench to bedside. But what I realized, there's more to research than just sitting in the lab. So through the meetings that we've had, you learn ways of organizational leadership, planning, and being able to be strategic in what you're doing.
Prematurity is a multifactorial problem, and to disentangle both its causes and consequences, we need to have a transdisciplinary approach.
It's been incredible to have different perspectives from people who might approach a question from a very different lens. And so I think that's been sort of integral to my experience as a fellow.
I was exposed to content areas that are very far outside of my own work. And that allowed me to take a deep dive into a number of different aspects of the preterm birth epidemic that I wouldn't have otherwise been following along those fields as closely as I ultimately was.
One of the things we do during our fellowship meetings are works in progress, where basically you can come and present your very early draft of ideas for papers or grants, and you get input from this transdisciplinary group of people who bring in different perspectives. And I think it's just a bunch of very nice people who it feels good to, hang out with.
Serving as a mentor to the PTBI Fellows has really been extremely rewarding, both personally and academically, and that is a sentiment that is shared across multiple mentor-mentee experiences.
Another opportunity the fellowship has given me is a chance to travel across the world and meet our colleagues in East Africa, see the challenges that they're facing, and see how my own research very much has a touch point to the global context in low and middle income countries.
Having a conglomeration of different researchers working as a team and sharing ideas, I think this tends to hasten the speed by which we can actually reach the goal than working alone in silos.
So far, 9 fellows have been through the program. They have been spectacularly productive with many, many publications and presentations at scientific meetings. And those who have now completed the fellowship have all gone on to academic positions.
This fellowship is creating a cadre of young investigators that have expertise in the field of preterm birth that previously didn't exist. Looking forward, seeing this build into more than just a handful and into a whole network of colleagues who can address some of the most difficult issues around preterm birth and around the context in which these babies are born.